Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Temu and shop on the platform easily. So what you want to do is to go over to temu.com, and once you are on the website, what you want to do is to come over here, then click on register. So I'm going to click on register here, and it's going to prompt me to enter my email or phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to paste my email address so we can continue. So here I'm going to enter my email address. So after entering my email address, the next thing I'm going to do is to come over here, then click on continue. So after clicking on continue, it's going to prompt you to enter a password you like to use to log into your Temu account. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to generate a password for my account here. Then after that, I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on register. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to go over to my email, then confirm my email address. So what I'm going to do is to head over to my inbox here, then I'm going to look for Temu email. Alright, so as you can see, it says confirm your email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this email here. I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on confirm email address. Alright, so as you can see, it says perfect, you've confirmed your email address. Alright, so I've just successfully created an account on Temu, and I can now go shopping on the platform. So click on go shopping and browse through the platform and check for whatever product you like to buy on the platform. If you want to check your account area, all you simply need to do is to come over here, then click on this, and you can see your account area. So this is where you can check your orders, your pending orders, and if you want to cancel order, this is all where you can do it. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.